Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna do the 1950s. I forgot how I say it.
Yeah, the 1950s decades candy gift box that he got earlier this summer. And he's still got some candy left. Yeah, there's a sneak peek of what's left.
Oh, there's some stuff that isn't supposed to be. But
That's okay. You can close it. Let's talk about what candy you're gonna try today.
oh.
You sit down. What do we got?
We have these. First one is this.
Baby Ruth.
A Dum Dum. I believe wax lips.
Wax lips. Yep. Peppermint stick.
Yeah. Broken. Sugar baby.
Bubblegum cigar.
And Roundup.
Roundup candy cigarette. Okay. Pick one.
I guess.
Oh boy.
I don't want to.
You know how to do that though, right?
No.
There you go.
Put a sock on it?
Nope, you just put them right. You gotta bite they're upside down.
Oh.
Yeah, now let go.
Huh?
Put them in your mouth. Let go with your hands and hold it there.
Okay, that's just stupid.
Sometimes people chewed on them. I don't know. But they're just wax. They're kind of like, those little bottles of juice.
Oh, you good stuff?
Yeah. So what do you rate that?
I rate it 0 out of 5.
All right, what do you got next?
Guess this.
Okay, Baby Ruth. You ever had one of those?
Maybe. I don't know. Kind of like a Snickers bar.
What do you think?
5 out of 5.
5 out of 5? All right. What's next?
Yes, I guess. Sugar babies.
All right. What do you think of those?
I don't know. That's like something I had before.
What's it taste like?
Maybe a jelly bean.
Jelly beans?
Like a 4 out of 5.
4 out of 5? That's pretty good still.
I'm gonna need to get that out of my teeth.
It's there forever. What's next?
Oh. I guess this.
Candy cigarettes? Okay. Can you get it open?
I think so.
You might have to grab the scissors.
I think that's it.
Okay.
How do you open
Yeah, rip and tear.
this? They aren't that realistic. But I just
Yeah, just bite them.
think they're to suck on.
Oh, we always used to bite them. What do you think of that? You like those?
The mint.
Minty? How many out of 5?
I guess 5.
5 out of 5? Okay.
Hard to bite. I guess a dum dum.
No, it's not a Dum Dum. It's a Tootsie Roll Pop.
It is? Well, I think this one. Tastes like a regular candy cane.
Mm-hmm.
You
How
get
many out of 5?
5 out of 5.
All right.
I'm gonna do it off camera.
Okay. We'll look at the table while you do that.
Yep.
Can you tell us a joke?
No.
No? Oh, okay.
I don't know any jokes. Wait. Yeah.
Okay. What are we trying next?
This. I forgot the name.
We'll prepare a joke for next time, right?
I guess.
Okay. Well, that's the blue kind? I think it's supposed to be blueberry, right?
Let's see.
Or blue raspberry? I don't know.
It's grape.
Grape?
Mm-hmm.
Really? Those were always my favorite. It kind of surprises me. It was grape. Does it taste like grape?
Yeah.
Yeah? Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Suckers are one of Gage's favorite things.
Mm-hmm.
So if he doesn't rate it a 5 out of 5, I'll be shocked.
Mm-hmm. Unless it's like a sugar daddy type thing. Those things I hate.
Oh.
I saw it in a recent, or not a recent video, but an older video, I should say.
Where you tried this 50s candy?
Mm-hmm. Same series.
What's that?
Last, it's the cigar bubble gum or whatever it is.
Bubblegum cigar?
Mm-hmm.
Does it say what flavor?
It says EL.
EL?
Mm-hmm.
That's not a flavor.
I don't know what this tastes like.
Is it good?
A little.
A little? Does it taste like other gum you've tried before? Is it better than other gum or worse than other gum?
Pretty much in
In the middle? All right, since that's our last thing, you want to say bye?
I guess.
Okay.
Thanks for watching the video. Bye.